Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove underline in Word. Removing underlines in Microsoft Word can improve document readability and presentation, making it look more professional and polished. So let's start the video. First, open Microsoft Word document. As you can see the document with several underlined text. To remove underline in Word, simply highlight the text. Then go to the Home tab in the Word ribbon and then click the Underline button. Or you can press Ctrl U on your keyboard. So click on it. This will remove the underline formatting from your text, as you can see here. Now if you want to remove all underlines at once, then press Ctrl A on your keyboard to select all the text and then click on Underline button twice. This will remove all underlines in your Word document. So that's how to remove underline in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.